अगर आप हैं एक एस्पायरिंग फैशन डिजाइनर और करते हैं फॉलो फैशन इंडस्ट्री में होने वाले हर एक अपडेट को, then this one's surely for you. As Cotton Council International is back with Let's Design Season 5 after 4 glorious seasons. In its 5th season, Let's Design has grown to become India's premier design competition, showcasing the fabric of our lives, cotton, in the most glamorous avatar. ये रियलिटी शो ले जाता है contestants को through a series of challenges which test their creative and technical design skills as well as their real-world marketing sensibilities. और इस साल the show is all about showcasing the contestants' interpretation of the world's 5 fashion capitals: New York, London, Paris, Milan, and Tokyo. So, as the show promises an abundance of talent, इसका audition रखा गया in Delhi too, where a lot of budding talent poured in to try their luck. लेकिन कुछ ही थे वो lucky ones who made it through. So let's find out क्या कहना है इन winners का.
I wasn't hoping to be so competitive, and after looking at other participants and what they have created, I think it was a very good competition, very strong competition, and winning it, reaching at this level is in itself is very motivational. So I'm very happy.
Feels good, feels great to achieve something like this.
I think it's a very fine feeling. Of course, you feel really nice about after your thing being recognized, and you've done so much hard work. Everyone feels really nice about it.
It's a good opportunity for me to explore my ideas in the form of cotton and my creativity with colors.
वहीं हमने बात करी एग्नियस्का फुजोल से, जो कि हैं CCI Program Head of India. Listen up what she has to say about this initiative.
The theme this year was 5 fashion capitals of the world. So we asked our contestants to send in, create designs based on either New York, London, Paris, Milan or Tokyo. Gratification is direct entry into World's Fashion Week.
But we're sure judging these talented designers wouldn't have been easy for the jury. आइए जानते हैं कि कैसा रहा इनका experience judging them.
There are different factors which really matter here. So, in some design we were looking at how beautifully it was executed, and using cotton in a different way. Is the designer adding a different quotient to cotton, like maybe adding glam or the element of punk or rock into cotton? So these were some of the criteria.
Judging Let's Design 5 was a really difficult task, and we had a really tough time, and there's a lot of amazing concept, new ideas, so it was great.
Entries are really good in terms of quality and quantity both. We got 50% more entries than the last time. Quality has drastically improved. We are seeing that more senior designers or designers who have passed out of college 5, 6, 7, 8 years back, they have also participated.
So get set as this season kickstarts. And for the winners, the good news is that the winner not just gets a grand prize money, but a chance to get showcased at the World's India Fashion Week and a 4-page feature in Verve magazine. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.